Alright.
I'm absolute anus at this game, so.
Do what? Damn. Hey, don't use RPGs.
No RPGs.
He scared me. I had to.
Are we all in just this one area? Damn it! I fucking suck at this game.
God.
Yep, I'm dead.
For real. No, it's alright, it's alright, it's alright.
I just killed myself. You shit me.
You gotta aim at the head.
God damn it.
Probably.
Why do I have two kills? Damn it.
Dang. First time he killed me. I think. No, he killed me 3 times. Killed me 3 times.
It's amazing how I can't kill you right now. How do I not kill you there? What the heck?
It's alright, it's alright, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
No, how is he killing me so good? What the fuck?
Yeah. Basic. Side. 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 Oh wait, if you when you catch up, you start using it. Side.
God, yo, stop using a minigun.
It's Ooh. He using minigun.
Bro, stop using a minigun. What the fuck? I won't kill cheaters because he's fighting somebody else right now, so. I'll
What?
be a nice person. I didn't want to kill you because you were focused on somebody else, so.
Oh, thanks. It's alright. Watch out, move. Let me get comfortable. Let me get comfortable.
Oh, get that!
Mm.
Okay.
I know he was behind. How is he killing me?
Wait, Aiden, I'm gonna be nice again. Are you using a minigun? Oh my god. What's the pussy gun? I hate that gun. Oh, I almost just killed him. I was. Surprise. No, I'm not. Now I am. Jesus. Oh,
Alright. Alright.
there we go. Psych! Did I not? Okay. Now. Yeah, I just wanted to be.
Come on. How is FGG winning?
I don't know, but I'm pretty bad. Hayden, I actually did not mean to kill myself right there. That was kind of trash. Yo, stop using a minigun. That's such a pushy gun.
Come on, bruh. You gotta aim by yourself.
Oh shit. Hayden, I won't use the bomb on you. Damn it.
Alright.
I should have used the bomb. Free aim. There's a free aim. What? I'm actually surprised that me and Cheer are tied up. Oh, Hayden, I'm not gonna be a dude. You're not gonna be a dude right now. What? How did he kill me? It's stupid. I don't get how he killed me.
Wait a minute, I'm trying to save this video clip.